The XL is the latest Fifer Touring Campervan from East Neuk Campers. Based on the 6.36 metre extra long Citroen Relay panel van, the Fifer Touring XL is just over a foot longer than the established L model, which also remains in production. The wheelbase of the two models is identical, with all the extra length of the XL being behind the back axle, meaning that the turning circle remains just as good. The van is fully equipped with all the modern safety and comfort aids you'd expect, including aircon and cruise control, rear parking sensors and reversing camera. The standard driver's pack includes automatic headlamps and wipers, active safety braking, pending collision alert, lane departure warning, smart beam headlights and speed limit recognition. The Demonstrator XL is built on the outgoing base vehicle model, but all production vans will have the updated fully revised cab, and the engine will be the new 140 horsepower 2.2 litre turbo diesel, which meets the very latest stringent emissions controls. The Touring XL has two lounges, with the fully equipped front lounge using the swivelling cab seats. The splendid and airy rear lounge accommodates at least four comfortably, with extra audio speakers and a removable table. The well-equipped kitchen has a combined 3-burner hob and sink, an oven grill, and masses of work surface. There's also generous storage courtesy of a large lower cupboard, 3 big drawers, and a capacious overhead cupboard. The fridge, an 85-litre compressor model with freezer compartment, uses power from the huge 230 amp-hour battery, which is supported by twin solar panels. The washroom, with a shower and swivel dometic toilet, is to East Neuk's well-proven standard design, and the glass fibre walls, shower tray and basin are all manufactured in-house. With the XL's extra length, the beds are enormous. You can have twin singles, up to 7 foot 5 inches long on the near side, a longitudinal double, or a transverse double. Whichever layout you choose, the beds are thick and comfortable with an inbuilt topper. All upholstery and curtains are made on site. The extra length also provides huge storage capacity to go along with the 450 kilogram payload. There's underfloor space at the rear for boots, chairs and cables, and if the cable slides beyond reach, you can lift the floor. 2 vast lockers under the settees are reached from either above, in front or from the rear. The offside underseat locker also houses the Webasto blown air and water heater, which is a bespoke model for East Neuk. Up front, there's more storage over the cab and in 2 shelved units, one on either side. The large wall-hung wardrobe above the fridge also houses the television, and in the rear lounge are 5 more overhead cupboards. All in all, there's only one word to describe the new Fifer Touring XL. Excellent!